water's a little deep here, that's why. That's why he's complaining about it. But good water. Cold water here. Remember, the go on the edge is a big rock on there. Remember?
Right there.
Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to take a look at the GoPro 3-Way 2.0. Now, this is a big difference from the last one they had. This is more easy to actually hold, and it's a lot stronger. There's a great features on it. It's a tripod, and then it's a selfie stick. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get when you purchase it. Now, this is compatible with a lot of the GoPros. So pretty much every single GoPro that's out there, it's going to be compatible. It's just a universal attachment. So we're going to take a look at it and see what you get. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the box doesn't reveal too much. It just completely covers it, if you guys can see it. So if you guys can see it, very small, very compact. I like the whole feature itself, just looking at it. It does have the actual attachment here for the older GoPro. If you guys can see the slider. They don't have the actual slider attachment. You're going to have to require your own, but these are not that hard. If you buy a couple of them, they always give you an extra one or something. But today we're going to attach it in there. We have a GoPro 9, as you can see. We're going to put it in there, system. I'm using a silicone cover for the GoPro 9 too, and we have it there attached if you guys can see it. Now, opening it up is very simple. It's a little stiff, just to let you know. So this could be used like a gun shooting, you know, just like a GoPro 9 shooting right there, like a gun. And then you have this part that even extends even longer in here. Extend it, fully extend it without the camera forward. It's about 19 inches from there. So from there to there, it's about 19 inches. So not bad. The little device it's a little stiff. You could even tighten this up. This is plastic. This part right here is heavy duty plastic. It's well established. You're moving around on a bike or something. You could record yourself. These can be tightened up more. Now this attachment also bends down. You have to loosen it up here. If you guys can see it, loosen it up, close it, and then another thing is that you could do the tripod, and we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna open it up, and that stands up like that. If you can see, and that's an awesome thing. So you could put this on the side, film it. Look at that. Really simple. Now I like this lock mechanism here. You see the lock, it loosens up the 3D dimensional ball right here that you have the bearing, and you can move it anywhere you want, and now you have to just lock it in. Oh, water cool. So these guys, beautiful. That was probably the worst part right there, a little deeper. But last year the water was actually deeper, but because less water is, less things to worry about. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the demo that we did with this. Not bad, you know, I like it so far. I use the tripod, I use the actual extended part of it, and if you guys like stuff like this, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.